Is the market ready for a pullback? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down a couple trades that I took today on TQs and on SQs as well. The current SQs position that I'm in, what I'm anticipating, kind of break that down, and then we're going to go over the FOMC rate hike decision. So real quick, we're going to hop into my screen. First things first, we're going to go over the FOMC rate hike decision. So if you guys are not up to date, FOMC decided to increase rates by 0.25%, which is pretty much what the whole market anticipated. Was about a 25 basis point increase, which is 0.25%. So as we can see here, I'll flip over to TQQQ. The market began to rally once that news was out. This was on Wednesday earlier this week. It is currently Friday. So that news was announced and we saw a decent push up in the market, continuation all the way up until yesterday, where we had a little pivot right back down. And then at the end of the day yesterday, on Thursday, we had Amazon and Apple earnings, and they both were negative. So we saw a huge push down in the market, tried to push back up, began trending down overnight, and then kind of sideways since then. We still haven't exactly made new highs yet. So what I'm kind of seeing in the market overall is a general weakness. So just looking at the 5, the 15, right? We can see the previous day, we peaked up to 27.55. And that was pretty much the whole continuation of that FOMC rate decision. And that's kind of where it stopped, was around 27.55. So now we're seeing a pullback in the market and what seems to be somewhat of a push up currently in the market. So we're trying to where we already tried to retest previous highs. It doesn't exactly look like the market has the same amount of strength as it did previously when it went up after that FOMC meeting. So that could have been easily just a recent catalyst fueling this fire right here. So in the longer term, I definitely think that we could see a pullback. If we go over to the QQQ chart, we look at the daily time frame, we can see how far away we are from that trend line, number one, and number two, from that moving average. So as you can see here, that purple line was that trend line. We managed to break above that. We've had a decent rally up. And now the market is just trying to continue this upwards momentum, which I think is very volatile for the market. It's very scary in this position. I'm not saying that we couldn't keep going up, but I do think we're very overbought. Simply looking at this time frame, you might be able to see it on the hourly as well. The hourly is very far away from the moving average here. So a pullback is definitely due. So for any of you people going long out there, I would watch your position size. Be careful with that moving forward, and just kind of look for a slight pullback in the market. I'm not exactly sure if it's going to be a huge pullback or a small pullback, but definitely anticipate a pullback in the market. So moving on from there, we're going to go over my TQQQ trade for the day. Actually, I traded it a couple different times. So first was on this break above the moving average here. I began to add shares to my position, and I sold once we broke above 26. Yes, I missed out on a little bit of profit up there, but we ended up pulling back. We ended up retesting this. So right here was a quick move. Got in around, my average purchase price was around 25.82, 25.83, and we pushed up, broke above 26, and I sold above 26. So that was a nice little move there. We saw the market pull back, test that moving average, and continue pushing up. And I got in on another little move back above there once we started to push up here. I didn't catch this whole candle, sadly. I sold out right before then. But those are my two small moves on TQQQ. Now I'm going to switch back over to SQQQ. So what I'm seeing currently on SQQQ, it looks to be some sort of a rejection here, consolidation, and a possible uptrend here. So that's what we're waiting for here on SQQQ. I do have a small position open on SQQQ, but I'm just waiting for the perfect time to continue adding to my position and eventually lock in profits on SQQQ. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video for more videos like this one. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and just kind of understood how the FOMC rate hike decision went, and like the direction of the market currently, definitely positive, but we are due for a pullback. So keep that in the back of your mind when trading. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.